Well, hello and welcome back, everybody. So today we have another episode of Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina, where we're going to do a keto-friendly cookie. And this cookie is going to be made with almond flour. So if you could show them the almond flour, and also I've got in there so 2.5 cups of almond flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder I've already put on top of the mound of almond flour. We're also going to put some crushed almonds, imenole. Yeah. So we've got some almonds there that are kind of halved almonds. We're going to incorporate into the cookie. We're not going to put any chocolate chips or anything, just to kind of keep the carbohydrates really low. Then we've got some olive oil that we're going to put in replacement of butter. So the olive oil is replacing 1/2 cup of melted butter. I'm using 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then we've got the last dry ingredient there. What do we got there, Ma? That is shaved coconut, so coconut flakes, I guess you'd call them, which will add another depth of flavor into the cookie. And then we're going to have our normal ingredients, a couple of eggs, as you can see. Nonna Pina's holding a couple of eggs, which we're going to crack. And we're going to put this all into the food processor, along with just a dash of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon actually of vanilla extract, and a dash of salt for taste. So once we puree all of that, we're going to bake them in the oven, put them on a baking sheet, and welcome to this episode. Here we go.
I am bound for the promised land. I'm bound for the promised land. Bound for the promised, 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 bound for the promised.
Okay, so Nonna Pina has pulsed this. She did not go on a continuous run because we don't want to liquefy this. We made it a pulse. Can you show us, Nonna Pina? I'm just going to zoom in. Can you show us how sticky kind of the texture is? Let's see that. Can you do it with your fingers there? Where are you, Nonna Pina? Okay, don't move. Yeah. Can you squeeze it? Squeeze it together? Okay, so it's kind of pliable. It's kind of like a dough. It's kind of sticks to your fingers. That's the kind of texture that you want, okay? And we're going to shape these into balls, and then we're going to flatten them out. They're not going to expand in the oven, so what we're going to do is we're going to put them on a cookie sheet. All right, so what Nonna Pina is doing now is she is going to empty, go ahead, Ma. She's going to put that into a bowl. And really what we're going to do there is we're going to incorporate the almond flakes into the bowl. So those cookies were in the oven for about 30 minutes till they were golden brown, as you could see here. I'm just gonna pan so you can see what we're talking about here. Whoop, there we go. Came out really good. Pina, can you show us the bottom?
Hallelujah.
Okay, so you can see the hints of almond there. Very good job, very good job. They're going to taste great. Thank you for joining another episode of Nonna Pina's Sicilian Cucina. Say bye, thank you.
Bye, thank you.
All right.